I want to show you this 2-pack of replacement 4-amp lithium-ion batteries. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. We're going to jump in and show you all about them. Alright, today I want to show you this 2-pack of these 4-amp lithium-ion 20-volt. They're the equivalent of these, which come from the factory. They call them 20-volt max. But you can see same size, form, fit, fashion. They plug right in. They came right out of the box, charged up and ready to go. If we check the light, there's 2 bars on them, but I do want to charge them before I use them. And like I said, this does come in a 2-pack, and they fit both the impactor and the drill. And this one, we'll take a look at it. It's got two lights coming from the factory, but so far I'm impressed with the fit and the finish. They look good. We're gonna go charge them up and put them to the test on the job site.